This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT reading question. The question asks us, how would we best describe the writer? So we see different choices. We see non-judgmental, somewhat judgmental, objective. So we want to first just go through our choices and see what can definitely be weeded out. So this choice number 4, reporting from a first-person point of view, we know that that's not true. So it's not his account of going and seeing the Eskimo tribes. It's just talking about what they do in terms of information that he got from a different secondary source or from interviews with chieftains. So that's not going to be good. Okay, so now we have to decide on the scale of non-judgmental to objective. So non-judgmental and objective are pretty much the same choices. So a good trick for some of these questions is that if you see two choices that are pretty much the same and it would be impossible to rightly choose between the two, then chances are that these are not your answers. So these are probably not going to be the answers for that reason. We can also see, we see choice number 2, judgmental in some respects, is going to be accurate just because most of this passage is objective, but there are some points in the passage where the author definitely does have some feelings and expresses his opinions, as in at the end of the first paragraph, he says there is nothing bad about their dances and it made their hearts seem good towards each other. So this is definitely a judgment. It's a good judgment, but it is a judgment. So it would be best to choose this choice because it is reflected in the passage, and also there's just no way non-judgmental and objective, those are too similar to choose between the two. So choice 2 is our answer.